सुभाष चंद्र बोस,
भारत की वीर गाथा, लेजेंड ऑफ इंडियन हिस्ट्री।
Born on 23rd January 1897 in Cuttack, Odisha, Subhash Chandra Bose was a brilliant student from a young age. He cleared the prestigious Indian Civil Services examination in England, yet resigned voluntarily. For him, serving the British Empire was not ambition. Serving Bharat was destiny.
Bose rose rapidly within the Indian National Congress and became its president in 1938 and 1939. However, ideological differences emerged. While some believed in gradual negotiation, Bose believed freedom must be seized. His bold vision led him to form the Forward Bloc, choosing action over compromise. In 1941, under strict British surveillance, Bose executed one of the most daring escapes in history. Disguised and traveling across continents, he reached Germany and later Japan. There, he reorganized the Indian National Army. His electrifying call, "Give me blood, and I will give you freedom," awakened revolutionary fire across India. Under Netaji's command, the INA advanced through Burma toward India's eastern frontier. Though global war circumstances limited military success, the psychological impact was immense. The INA trials in 1945 triggered massive unrest within the British Indian Army, shaking the very foundation of British rule. In August 1945, reports claimed Netaji died in a plane crash in Taiwan, yet debates and mystery surround his death even today. What remains undeniable is his impact. He transformed India's freedom struggle from protest to armed resistance, accelerating the end of colonial rule. He didn't beg for freedom, he declared war for it. When leaders chose negotiation, he chose revolution. This is the story of Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose, the man who built an army to free India. Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose, the leader who proved that freedom is not requested, it is taken. Jai Hind.
Please like, comment and subscribe. भारत की वीर गाथा, लेजेंड ऑफ इंडियन हिस्ट्री।
Subhash Chandra Bose.